last episode, I talked about the areas of work based on guna combinations. That is, if you have tamasic guna, you should be working in a performance oriented area of work. If rajasic guna is dominant, then you should be working in the result oriented area of work. And if sattvic guna is dominant, then you should be working for the society's welfare. So that is how you choose your area of work. But what work you will do, that is decided by the karma orientation. And as I told you earlier, there are four karma orientation: knowledge orientation, power orientation, wealth orientation, and skill orientation. Today I will be talking to you about skill orientation. But before that, in Bhagavad Gita, in chapter 18, shlok 45, Krishna says, Sve sve karmanya abhirata sansiddhi lagte naraha. That if we do karma based on our own true nature, Krishna says that you can attain perfection in those karmas. So if you are a skill oriented person and you engage in skill oriented work, then definitely you will attain perfection in your skills. And in chapter 18 verse 44, Krishna says, Paricharyatmakam karma shudrasya api swabhavajam. That is what he is saying, that Shudra, when I was talking about Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, I talked about Shudra is the karma which is done by your body skills. So Krishna here says that in skill oriented karma, finally what you attain is that others are served by your work. That is, you are somewhere fulfilling some gaps which are existing, and those people are feeling happy. So this is the way tamasic skill orientation is there. So what is tamasic skill orientation? There are various areas we can talk about: art, sculpture, fashion design, graphic design, interior design, makeup artist, photography, web design. These are all skill oriented work, and they are all performance oriented. That is, once you engage in this, the final output, the customer has to be happy. If you are a fashion designer, if your customer is not happy with your performance, then the design will not be accepted. If you are an interior designer and you are doing a flat very well, what is needed is your best performance, then only the customer will be happy. In photography, you want the best shots. So in all these tamasic skills, your performance is important. If we start looking at the areas of finance, then accounting, bookkeeping, cashier, yeah, performance is important. If you have to give somebody 1500 rupees, then you have to give only 1500 rupees. If you give more or less, then either the customer is in loss or the bank is in loss. So in all these areas, performance is very important. In healthcare, nursing, healthcare assistant, dentist, physiotherapist, radiologist, medical assistant, x-ray, blood testing, these are all areas where your performance in your skill, that you should come out with the real reading of the situation, is very, very important. Optician, orthodontist, pediatrician, pharmacist, physical therapy. These are all areas where skills which are performance oriented are important. In IT field, if you are a software programmer, search engine optimization, Android developer, technical support, these are all areas where skills are important. In sales, marketing, salesman, retailer, sales associate. In service industry, as I mentioned earlier, beautician, personal trainer. If you are going to the gym, you want people to have a very good personal trainer who can coach you to build your body. Then chef, waiter, flight attendant, gardening, landscaping. These are all areas of tamasic skill orientation. Hairstylist. I remember I attended one of my cousin's wedding, and the hairstylist came early in the morning, 7 o'clock, and the wedding was at 11:30, and we could not reach there by 11:30 because the hairstylist was still not happy with the performance, and it went on up to 12, 12:15, and then also the hairstylist was not happy, but we said enough is enough. Now we will miss the wedding time. So these are all people who want to be perfect in what they are doing. So hairstylist is also a tamasic skill orientation. If we look at trades and jobs, pilot, aircraft mechanic, automobile engineer, driver, it's very important that the driver is very good. Otherwise, the moment you are on the road, you can damage either the car or you can hurt people who are there on the road, or you can make an accident. So these are all areas. Carpentry. I know one of my friend who is a very good carpenter and perfectionist. So if you are not perfect, you may hurt yourself by one of those carpentry tools. So you should know how to handle these tools. Electrician, very very important. Performance is very important. You are playing with 230 volt and you can get a shock. Heavy equipment operators, we see so many metros are being built. Those heavy equipment operators, they are so specific in their performance that they are able to lift such heavy things, and that they are doing it perfectly, because if there is an accident, the lives are at stake. So like that, these are of various trade jobs. So these are all tamasic skills we can think of. When we look at rajasic skills, so in rajasic skills, more than performance, you are looking at the result of those skills. So administrative work, secretarial work, business analyst, business development, business intelligence, business managers, CEOs, CXOs, all these people are required to provide some result. If they are working for a company, all the stakeholders are expecting certain results from these people. In human resources, in HR, they want that good people are employed, and those who are employed, they are well taken care of. In advertising, media, digital media, public relations, you do all these activities because you want to improve the performance of your product and services. You want better results. Legal, paralegal, legal assistant, advocates, these are all people where you are looking at, you want to win the case, that's why you have gone to the advocate. So you are looking at the result. In healthcare, you go to the doctor to get cured. So you are looking at results, and the doctor also has to be result oriented to see that. General practitioners, when you look at IT field, big data, there are so much data around. So a result oriented person analyzes the big data using R programming, using Python, using advanced Excel, and they give you results, and with various visualization techniques they explain the data that this is the way and how you should have your strategies for business. IT managers, product managers, these are all various result oriented skills. And if you look at in sales marketing, then sales manager, marketing manager, they have their targets which they have to meet every month. Then in hospitality industries, hotels, restaurant, food service, they want good food which is liked by the customers. In travel agent, wedding planner, these are all result oriented skills. In trades, construction, you want construction to be over in time, because if there is you delay the project, then there is a cost overrun. There are so many infrastructure projects being built throughout the country. We need to be result oriented so that we know that those projects will be completed in time. So if you are a skill oriented person and you are logistic skill oriented, then you are looking at those skillful jobs which are result oriented. Now, what are sattvic skill orientation? So, like what we are doing is, I am talking to you, and then some person is going to edit it. So the editor has the broad picture of what I am going to convey and whether it is reaching to the audience. in an effective manner. And finally, what is reaching to you is useful to you, then only you will watch. So an editor, content writer, all these people together, they put up a team in media, and finally the goal is that people who are watching those videos, they get benefited. So in Sattvic skill orientation, the focus is on the community, on the society, and that how they are going to benefit out of those skills. Career counselors, like what I am doing, I am telling you that this is the kind of work you should do, this career counseling, because if everyone is doing their swadharma, they will do very well and the whole society will become prosperous. Fire brigade, it's a very tough job, but they are not looking at performance or result, they are looking at saving those lives which are at stake. So fire brigade is that kind of Sattvic skill orientation. Fundraising for NGOs, people commit their time and resources, and if they don't have funds, then they will not be able to serve the society. So this is also a Sattvic skill. Then of course legal practitioners, they are serving the society because they keep the society in order, they help the judiciary to understand the case. Then policy analyst, NGO administration, obviously social work. In finance, banking, financial advisor, insurance, investment analyst, these are all areas where society welfare is uppermost in mind. In healthcare, dietitian, nutritionist, hospital administration, general practitioner, specialist, these are all areas where the ultimate aim is to benefit the society. In IT field, cyber security, data scientists, nowadays we hear a lot about data being misused by people in some areas, and you have to be very careful with your password. So the cyber security experts, they make your content safe on your internet. So these are all areas of Sattvic areas of work. In sales marketing, if you look at market research, it's very important, because finally you have to find out the supply and demand balance so that the production does not suffer and those who are producing, they do not suffer and they get their prices. So market research analyst. Customer service is another community oriented skill. In research, technology, applied science, if you look at, obviously there are so many areas like architecture, biotechnology, all kinds of engineers, civil engineer, mechanical engineer, researcher, those who do research, social science research. So these are all Sattvic skill areas. So if we look at skill orientation, and if you understand whether we have a Tamasic area dominant or Rajasic area dominant or Sattvic area dominant, the whatever skills we have learned, we can use it to the best possible way, and we will be happy. I hope you understood this particular segment of skill orientation. And if you want to know more about yourself, what kind of skill orientation you have, you can go on satishmore.com and appear in a TEQ test. When you will appear in the TEQ test, you will receive your Sattvic, Rajasic, Tamasic Guna scores, but that will not give you any specific direction, and for detailed information you will have to buy these reports of RST personality quotient or career guidance report or leadership style report. Once you have those reports, then you can understand that which area of work, and if you are a skill orientation, which particular skill you should focus on. I hope you have liked this video, and if you have liked it, please do so on this YouTube, and also subscribe and share with your friends. Namaste, Dhanyavad.